if you're getting a 403 status code error, or if you're getting a 429 status code error in Content Maxima, then there's two things that could be wrong. The first thing is in the app, make sure you come into settings, and when you put in your OpenAI API key, make sure you have the correct tier selected. If you don't know what tier you are, I show this in the training video. That when you're logged in the upper left-hand corner, it will actually tell you on the limits page what tier your account is. If you just signed up for OpenAI for the very first time, which is most users, you're going to be tier 1. So just make sure in the app that you have tier 1 selected. We have to match the OpenAI API key with the tier so that we're sending the correct number of requests per minute and that everything aligns correctly. If you hop over to platform.openai.com/docs/guides/rate limits, you'll see how these limits actually get activated. So there's several ways that this can get triggered. Requests per minute, requests per day, tokens per minute, tokens per day, or images per minute. So any which way that you happen to hit a limit, that will cause those errors on your account. That being said, you're basically just warming up your new OpenAI API key. So if you need faster reports, sequential reports, when we all get a new software or a new toy, on a birthday or a holiday like Christmas, you're so excited to open it, play with it, mash the buttons. Well, in this case, with Content Maxima, I understand you want to run a bunch of reports, but if you're brand new to OpenAI and you have a brand new OpenAI API key, you have to warm it up. So you'll see here, you only need $5 to start, but if you actually wait 7 days, your account will be warmed up. And if you need another tier, you can easily prepay and add onto your account $50, $100, or $250, even $1,000 if you're an agency and you need maximum ability to export bulk reports. Essentially, as a new user, you get throttled. So that being said, it's not that the software doesn't work, it's that you just can't sequentially run report after report after report after report because you're breaking the tier limit. So again, you can look under this guide on platform.openai and it will explain these rate limits, and there's a combination of ways that you can break the limit. The goal is over the course of time that you become tier 2, tier 3, and then these limits are no longer an issue for you. But in the beginning, I understand it can be frustrating, and in full transparency, you'll be able to use the software. You just have to use it slower. That means waiting a full minute between, analysis reports. If you're doing something larger, like a matrix report or a personas report, you may only be able to run those once every 5 minutes. Those are substantially large data sets, and again, it burns the API's requests. So slow down the amount of reports that you are exporting, and you shouldn't run into these issues. If you keep having issues outside of a 429 or a 403, you can head on over to the website and you can go to contact and click the support button in the bottom right, and you can open a ticket, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can, and we will try to help you troubleshoot further with the software. But for most new users, it's just a matter of working a little bit slower to not trigger the API limits. So let me know if that works for you, or if you're having issues, we're here for you.